Welcome back, Profit Quests family. I'm always excited to share the latest and most promising opportunities in the crypto space, and today is no different. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, I'd love to have you join our Telegram community. The link is in the description below. On the Telegram channel, I regularly post fresh airdrop opportunities and important updates from across the crypto world, so be sure to check it out. Today, I have a very interesting and early stage project to share with you. It's a newly launched Layer 1 blockchain project, just like Core Blockchain and Sidra. This one is called ChainPhon, and it's still very fresh. It launched just a few weeks ago. That means you're getting in early, and this is the perfect time to position yourself to benefit as the ecosystem grows. The focus right now is to start mining their native token, which is called Phone. I'll walk you through the full process of how to register and start mining, and I highly recommend watching this video all the way through because some users may run into a few minor registration issues. But if you follow everything step by step exactly as I'm showing, it should be smooth sailing. To begin, you'll need the unique invite link. This link is either in our Telegram group or right in the first pinned comment under this video. You can also find it in the video description. The most reliable place to get it is from the first pinned comment. Once you've copied the link, go ahead and open your browser, preferably Chrome, but any browser will do. Paste the link into your browser's address bar and load the page. When the page opens, you might see a bunch of prompts about downloading ChainPhon. Ignore all that for now. Just click on the button that says, I already installed ChainPhon. That's very important. Click on that to proceed. The next step will ask you to log in using your Google account. So click Login with Google. Make sure that you're already signed into your Google account in that browser. If you're not, you'll need to log into your Google account first. After logging in, paste the link again into your browser and repeat the process. Once you've selected your Google account and clicked Continue, the system should redirect you to a dashboard where you'll see several crypto tokens listed, like Phone, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. If you don't land on this page right away, don't worry. It happened to me as well the first time I registered. Just go back and repeat the process. Paste the link again, click on I already installed ChainPhon, then log in with your Google account again. Eventually, it will take you to the dashboard. Once you've arrived at the dashboard, you're now ready to start mining. To begin mining, simply click the button that says Start Mining. That's all you need to do to activate the mining process. Mining occurs every 12 hours, and each session yields around 24 phone tokens. At the moment, the projected value of one phone token is about $2, though this is based on the testnet and is not necessarily the price it will hold once the mainnet goes live. If you go into the swap section, you'll see that currently one phone is equal to $2. That's just a projection on the testnet. So while it's promising, we need to be cautious until the mainnet is launched. Still, this is a great way to start accumulating the token while it's early and easy. This project hasn't disclosed a lot of deep technical details just yet. But from everything I've seen so far, it looks solid and professional. Another interesting point is that ChainPhon is based in Dubai, which happens to be the same origin as the Sidra blockchain project. So that's another good sign, considering how well-regarded Dubai is becoming in the blockchain space. They've also enabled peer-to-peer, P2P features right from the start. If you want to send your phone tokens to someone else, simply click on Send. If someone wants to send you phone tokens, just go to the Receive section where you'll find your Phone20 address. This is your receiving wallet for phone tokens. The fact that P2P functionality is already available is a great sign of how serious this team is. If you'd like to refer other people to the project, you can do so by clicking on the Team section. There, you'll find your referral link. Now, referring others won't give you a huge reward, but it will give you a useful advantage. Normally, you mine once every 12 hours. But for each person you refer, your mining cycle shortens by 30 minutes. So if you refer one person, you'll mine every 11 hours and 30 minutes. Refer two people, and that becomes 11 hours, and so on. From what I've gathered, the minimum mining time you can achieve is every 9 hours. I've seen this mentioned somewhere, but I haven't fully confirmed whether referring beyond that continues to give additional reductions. The platform hasn't officially published those specifics yet. They also have an official Twitter page, which you can visit for additional updates. According to their posts, the ChainPhon testnet is now live, and users are encouraged to start exploring this Layer 1 mobile blockchain. This shows that the project is active and that development is ongoing. In summary, ChainPhon is a new Layer 1 blockchain from Dubai, and we're currently in the testnet phase with the ability to mine phone tokens every 12 hours. By joining early, you're placing yourself in a strong position if the project grows and transitions successfully to mainnet. I'll be keeping a close eye on it, and will continue sharing updates as more information becomes available. So, once again, welcome to the Profit Quest family. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel through the link in the description. That's where I share daily airdrop alerts, hidden gems, and important crypto updates you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.